Good morning everyone, we're in Centro because we want to get some groceries for Mel's schoolmate and also for the 69-year-old parking attendant who is very unwell, and we've promised him groceries and a big sack of rice. Mel's sponsoring the rice.
I hope the car is fixed this week so we can bring it.
Yeah, we're not able to go because the car's still in the main dealership because it overheated again really bad this time, and a pipe snapped off the side of the engine. So they've put the new part on. I had to buy the part because I didn't have it in stock, and observing it to see if it overheats again. There's not much more that can change on it. If the electric fan motor is not good enough, that would have to be changed.
Start here, right?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I was looking at the radiator. Maybe I need a new radiator as well. I shouldn't do because the car's not that old.
15, right?
Yeah. So a lot of this, you see, these stores wouldn't be normally allowed, but because it's Christmas, they are.
Temporary.
And what will happen after Christmas with the new year, that's when all them horns come out. They sell them on the stalls and the kids are just walking around blowing them for days on end. So we will be having a chat with the old parking attendant guy, if he's there. He's coming because he's the only person who has an income, and he's got 5 kids, and if he's lucky, if they're all lucky, they earn on average about 300 pesos a day. It's unbelievable what these people live on, you know, bless them. So as you can see, it's very busy. We've got a list of groceries we're going to get. We're going to get him a tray of eggs as well. As much as we can, actually. So look at these for prices. 40 pesos just for a quart for the onions. These prices, trust me, have gone up quite a bit. But they all more or less keep the same prices, so they're not competing against each other. All fresh stuff though, really good. The apples haven't got a price on them. Limes, 20 pesos, half a kilo, it's not too bad. The bigger onions, 25 pesos a quart. So they sit out here all day in the heat, and I keep saying to Mel, I'm like a broken record, what do they do with the waste? They must have a lot of waste with this heat. I got demonetized on the second part of the school video, and I don't understand why, because I can't remember any music playing, but I've just left it. I've not downloaded and edited it. So we're also looking for some of the parking attendants that got our uniform. Not specifically, but as part of the video. Looks like the union president is walking around checking them out. Just seen them, I think. So all these parking attendants have a specific place that they do the parking, and that's one of the main reasons why they needed a uniform. Here you are, look, yeah, it's the president, I think. No, it's not. So they're going around checking. Hi. Oh, it is. Yeah, it is the president. So there was a meeting the other day. I've got to stop saying so, but I'm sick of editing it all out. The videos are jumping. So there was a meeting the other day, and still said so, didn't it? And your babe.
They say hi to you.
Yes. And they were just basically telling them all the rules. That, to me, it was common sense they should know anyway. But I digress. So here you are, you can tell the parking attendants at a glance now. And nobody that hasn't got the uniform on can come in and do the parking. It's got to be the official ones, because they're deserving the money. So we're going to one of our favourite stores, which is Hong. The other one is Unitop, and the other one after that, Last Resort, is 101. Smell petrol. Oh, look at the line to go in here. Right, Mel, ask him why he's not wearing his uniform.
Yeah, tama ka dahil uniform kuya. Ay, baka dahil labangan mo na. He had already uniform, but they need to wash it.
Yeah.
Because it's dirty now. So they need, maybe they need a few uniform so they can change it, you know what I mean?
Right. So, is that what you were telling me the other day? There was comments about.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Kuya. Yeah, that's turned out to be a problem, guys. They've only got one shirt. You can imagine the heat, they're sweating every day. So at the very least, they need two shirts so they can have one washed, and then, you know, there's no excuse for not wearing the uniform, basically. So if there's anybody out there would like to sponsor some more t-shirts for these guys.
And you know, guys, they are very happy when we distribute the...
Yeah, because you will, I don't know when you'll see this video, if it's before the uniforms being distributed. Really good morning. We did it at the police station. The chief of police was there, another high up police officials. It was a really good day. Now you've seen the video of Plaza at night. No, you haven't seen it yet. No, we haven't posted it. Do you know what? I'm doing videos now and I'm forgetting I'm doing them and where I've put them, because my hard drive's full.
Sometimes you delete.
Oh, music, music. Let's get by this music. So before the pandemic, the blind masseurs used to massage in here, but they've built these places now so they massage you in there, and I tell you, it's worth going in. They're brilliant, they're amazing. Every time I've gone in, I've come out and I've felt loads better. My back, I'm always getting back pain. I guess it's because I'm carrying a lot of weight around. But every time I go there for a massage, the pain's gone. For a week or so anyway, and then it comes back. So we're going to have a look for the 69-year-old parking attendant, because hopefully we're going to make his Christmas a bit better, and we've got some good news, which we'll do on the other video when we've actually got the grocery and the rice. Your bag? Where the bank is? Yeah, he's over the road. So we're going to have a word with him so you can see who we're talking about. You'll probably have seen him on the uniform giveaway video. before you see this. Because the video after this will be actually giving him the groceries and the rice. Now Mel's sponsoring the bag of rice and I'm sponsoring the groceries. But there's another good bit of news, which we'll tell you on that video. So this is the guy here, bless him. Do it in Tagalog, Mel. Okay. He's on the phone. He's not on the phone. Do you know you?
They are separated.
Right.
Separate.
So is he looking after the 5 kids? The kids are with him.
Yeah, he's the one who provides money for his 5 kids.
Right.
Yeah.
Shall we tell him the good news or
Yeah,
do it tomorrow?
I don't know, it's up to you.
No, we'll tell him now. Tell him now.
Ano po, akala niyo po ito patong
Ini ma'am, siguro ma'am, pwede mong garong magpapalulong ka.
inhaler.
Yes lang, para hilingan ko.
Sino siya kasalayan dali na?
So he's got a medicine and he had an operation on his lungs. And he's got, when he gets really poorly, he's got to take this medicine, and it's 4,000 for the whole lot, the medicine and the capsule.
Kuya said, let's keep, because he said that, because I insist him to, we can buy him as well, because he said, we don't need mom, because this one is very expensive, so you can save money.
Oh.
He said just only the medicine.
Yeah.
But it's old na, look.
Oh.
Ay, sorry.
Oh. My God. Balak, balak.
It's old na.
No, her sister in Holland is going to sponsor your next
Iyo po.
medication.
Balita ko na-sponsor po kami sa inyong medicine. Yung tulong ko po nasa abang sa Naga. Siya pa umaprovide ko. Kaya po, kung baka yung tanong. Sige, okay, it's up to you.
Yeah. And she's also going to sponsor 2,000 pesos of grocery.
May sponsor din po. Aside po din Kiyo, sponsor din po siya for 2,000.
And that's on top of the groceries we're going to provide. Right? So you should have a good Christmas.
Ay, ano po, sir, balik po ito sa Kenmira pa. So, they need po
Are you talking in Tagalog,
Ay,
babe?
no, Bicol. Oh my God, I speak English na. You want me pa to speak
Yeah,
Tagalog?
but
My God.
not everybody subscribe.
I
Go on.
said to guy that we will wait the car fix because how we gonna
Yeah, we've got to wait till the car's fixed before we can deliver
Hinihintay
it.
lang namin guys yung sasakyan namin kasi sira. So para mahalin namin yung grocery and
Yeah. She wants to tie the grocery bags up
Yes,
fancy
and
with a ribbon.
aside for that, because I noticed to Kuya that his hair is long, so we're gonna treat him for the
Yeah, get a haircut.
haircut pa sir.
Yeah, so we're going to treat him to a haircut as well.
Yeah, they have there.
So he's nice. He's nice for Christmas.
We can try if we can try to
I'm very worried about this, Mel. Can you give me it back before you destroy it?
Kuya, paano ko balikan yun?
So when we were handing the uniforms out, he wasn't feeling very well. I mean, come on guys, 69 years old and he forces himself to come even when he's not very well.
He said that if he struggled to breathe, yeah, he just inhaled that.
Yeah.
So it's better.
So he can feel better. That's good. That's good. So you can tell him if the car's fixed by tomorrow, we'll bring the grocery and the rice.
Kung sa aga, may video ba sa aga na kami na sasakyan, hindi kami sundo. Tapos nagkaroon din sa
It,
yeah, it's alright.
it was sort of lucky and not lucky. I broke down after picking up a friend to get his new car from Hyundai, and we went to SM, and on the way back the hose separated from the engine. The hose didn't just split or come off. The actual sensor unit, it just broke. And I broke down I just dropped him off at Hyundai. I got about what, maybe 50 yards, and the temperature gauge went up. But I think the temperature gauge didn't work because there was no water in it. I think it was really hot before I pulled up. But hopefully, luckily, it's ticking over and it's obviously not seized up. So they're checking it, they're letting it tick over, and I guess they're going to do it all day, and if it doesn't overheat then we'll be probably getting it back tomorrow, so we can deliver the groceries basically.
He's alone to his house.
He's alone, why?
Because the 5 children is in Bantay Pamilya, like DSWD.
What's
It's a government because they are the kids own.
It's childcare.
Yeah.
Ah.
So during pandemic they go out. That's why the kids get the DSWD.
Right, so
Like a care kids. Yeah.
so they're not at home.
Huh?
They're not at home then.
Yeah. It's not.
So
Alone.
it's no good buying a massive amount of groceries because he won't eat it or they'll go off. So what do we do? Well, we're going to have to talk about that because it's just going to go off. He's not going to eat it. So we just give him it and let him deal with it. Okay. Okay. Yes, smiles all around.
Depende po kung sasakyan okay na. Kailangan ipagpag kami makunta kami. Basta may yun na lang po kami. Ay, nandiyan ka man ang pag-indirap na.
So we might as well finish the video here then, babe, eh?
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye guys.
And don't forget, guys, if the notification bell has a strike through it, then you're not being notified. Catch you on the next one. Thank you, guys. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.